Hello, so this is a Hisense WFEA6010 6 kilo 1000 RPM washing machine made by Whirlpool, as you can see. So here we have the detergent drawer, pre-wash on the right, softener in the middle, main wash on the left, nice and powder residue and scaly. That will need a clean at some stage. Release tab there, push down to release the drawer. Nice simple layout of the programs available here. And the same again with the options, temperature, spin and power and start. So nice and clear, nice and simple display. We have LEDs all the way around here, showing you what program you've selected, time remaining. Pretty much all cycles have variable temperature. Has got a 50-degree watt option, which I do also like. 695 as well. And I believe, yes, you do get a 20 and a 30. So again, I think most cycles can have all the options. I think, yes, you can select more than one option at the same time as well. So here is the famous Whirlpool door. Obviously cheapened because it is a budget machine. It's not the best build quality at all, I've got to be honest. But one good thing about this machine, we have our 6 kilo drum with fully integrated metal drum paddles. When was the last time you saw one of them apart from Bosch? So there we have it, the first look of the Hisense 6 kilo WFEA6010 washing machine. I am now going to do a test cycle in another video and I will catch up with you later on. Thanks for watching, bye.